Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I'm also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers also pray for me. I hope you're waiting on latest video. So once the wait is over, today I bring some special beautiful crochet gloves, fingerless gloves design, beautiful free pattern, free ideas for modern girls, joyful girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, beautiful ideas, beautiful pattern, mind-blowing ideas. Fabulous and most trendy ideas, most demanding crochet collection. Some are light color, some are dark color, color contrast, sprinkle ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. Beautiful free ideas. So please like and share my video, follow my channel, press the bell icon, good comment section. Okay viewers, now you have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care viewers, bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz, have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.